Okay, well, watch me leave out this bitch.
You're not.
Bro, I am. Why? No, hey, ma'am, I don't know what you got going on with her, what deal you done made. I don't know what deal you done made with her. I'm getting the fuck up out of here, bro. Okay, well, hey, that's on her.
Please just open the door. I need to talk to you.
No, we're not doing this again.
So you are in there then?
Yeah, and I'm not opening
You've been
it.
ignoring me all day. Just give me 5 minutes.
I said it's over. You need to stop coming here.
Wow.
You be taking me down here in the first place. Come on.
What you mean you shouldn't be taking me down here?
Let's come on in here.
You
Just
worried
come
about
on.
the wrong thing. Come on. I'm confused on how you getting over here, you looking fine and getting the shape up and all this shit, and you ain't got your son no haircut. I'm confused. Why you looking at me like that, looking at your phone? You ain't sending no cash out. Candy fatty 30. The fuck? You looking at your phone? You finna send it? What you mean though?
If I wanted him to get a haircut, I would have brought him with me. So what's up?
That's the issue.
You need to leave him.
I'm about to, cause I'm confused on how you getting over here smelling good and shit, and your son sitting in the car waiting on his fucking Happy Meal.
He get a haircut tomorrow.
I just want to be alone, and that's why I got the house. I don't want to see you anymore. You just go.
This girl smashed her ex-boyfriend's Xbox because she was angry at him. What happened next will leave you speechless. Did she go too far?
Yo, what
What are you doing? Where is she?
Where's who?
Where's the girl? There's a girl here.
What
Where are you hiding
doing?
her?
What are you doing here? You should not be here. Please leave.
No, well, Nick, give me the address.
Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, bro.
You care about
Leave me
me?
alone. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you.
Leave. This is all you care about.
Ashley, look. I just want to be alone, and that's why I got the house. I don't want to see you anymore. You just go. Ashley! What the hell's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
There's like a $10,000 TV!
Yeah, that's all you care about. Maybe now you listen to me.
It's a brand new console!
Maybe
Get
now
out!
you listen.
Get out of my house! You should not have come here!
Fine.
Get out! Get out!
Oh wow, young lady. Is this your way of winning him back? Nah. You just succeeded proving to him he made the right decision leaving you in the first place. He is definitely better off away from this toxic female.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yeah, this is my girl. Hold on a second. Yo, what's up, baby?
Hey, babe. Listen, they just called me into work, but I need Uber and some lunch money. Can you send me that, please?
Yeah, no problem. When you gotta go? Now?
Yeah, I gotta go in now. So can you send that ASAP?
Yeah, give me like 2 or 3 minutes, all right?
Oh, all right.
All right. Bye.
Yo,
Damn,
I'm about to
that's
go
great.
out with this guy.
You gotta go.
So I'm gonna have him send
I think she's still on the phone, okay?
You know, he a fucking friend. He just gonna do whatever I ask him. I thought he seems like a nice guy. He's sending you money. I mean, he's all right, but I really don't like him like that. I like this other guy. So you don't using him? If you, no, I'm not using him. He's cool and all. We be chilling. But the guy, he's about to, he just came home from jail. I want to see him. I'm going to have him send me the money so me and him could chill. Because, he ain't really got shit. Damn, I mean, listen, I guess you got to do what you got to do, girl.
You gonna be paying for some jail digging up, honey.
Yeah, but, I mean,
And you know you can't follow that jail
the
digging.
phone? Oh, my God. Oh, shit. You hang up.
Yo, you know what I'm gonna send her, right? Watch. Watch, I'm gonna fucking send her.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Y'all ain't gonna believe this. My fiance trying to dip because I just lost my job. Like, come on, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious? You really here packing up a box finna leave because I lost my job?
I am so serious.
We get married in less than a month. You doing this right now?
Yes.
Because I lost my job?
You won't even tell me how you
It don't matter. I'm gonna get another job.
It does matter.
You're my future wife.
Do you have another job already?
You're my future wife.
You're about to
You're
lose
supposed
the
to hold
house
me
because
down.
You can't support me?
But you're supposed to hold me down.
Well, hold you down.
Through sickness and in health. Through death,
You
through
ain't
a
got no
part.
job. We don't have nothing to hold down.
What you mean? You're
ain't
gonna
no
read your
job.
vows. You can read your vows in less than a month. What you mean? This is practice right now.
I'm just saying.
And you already did it. Soon as I go through some hard, I lose my job. And you already packed up a box finna leave.
No, it's more than that. It's
What
about
is it?
having accountability, taking responsibility for your
So
actions.
you took the ring off?
I did.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious right now?
I'm so
I lost my job?
Look.
That's the most selfish. Like, what?
All I'm saying is that you lost your job, so right now there's no money coming in. Our savings.
Okay, you get a job for right now. Let me figure it out. What you mean?
Why do I need to get a job?
What do you mean by that?
What you doing? This whole time. Now you want to sit up here and try to get me to get a job, and
Are you?
lost your
I'm saying, but you doing the most.
Are
I
you
can get
serious?
another job. Like, what you mean? You
Okay, and I'm just supposed to sit around here and watch everything get snatched from
And this the
underneath
behavior
us.
from my future wife, y'all. Y'all see this? This is how my future wife acting right now. She paying him a
I don't know
dog.
what you
Cause I lost my
expected.
job.
I don't know what you expected.
Are you
because
serious?
You've been having issues, and you've been saying
I've been having issues.
Yeah.
Now all this coming out. What
Wool up, just wool up.
about your issues? Huh?
We're not talking about me.
I'm
You
still
the
having
one
an
that's
issue
fucked
right now
up.
because you paying him a box in the leave
Well,
because I lost
look.
my job.
Are you gonna carry this?
Are you serious? We
I'm
getting
being
married in less
serious.
than a month. So you're gonna cancel the whole marriage. Cause I lost my job.
I don't see how we could fix this.
What you by getting another job? It's simple.
Because how we gonna finish paying for the wedding then?
What you mean? Everything gonna be taken care of. You supposed to have my back through sickness and health, through death do us part. This ain't it right here. You trying to pack up and leave because I lost a job? That's crazy.
Look, I can't keep doing this. I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with you. I done asked you to have accountability for your actions.
Yeah, keep
and you don't want to do
keep
that.
putting that hat down. Hide your identity because the world gonna see this right here. This who I was supposed to be marrying right here. This the woman I was trying to marry. But that
All right, guys, here's the real question. Was she truly in love with him, or was she in love with the stability he provided? Because real relationships are supposed to be tested by adversity. That's the whole point. Anybody can stay during vacation, fancy dinners, and stable paychecks. That's easy mode. But characters are exposed when pressure enters the room. And the scary part is, a lot of men don't discover the truth until after marriage, after kids, after the legal system gets involved. This guy learned before signing the final contract. Painful lesson? Absolutely. But still cheaper than divorce courts. Gentlemen, never ignore how someone reacts to your struggles. That reaction tells you more than all the romantic words combined. If a temporary setback destroys the relationship, then the relationship was never built on anything solid to begin with. And this is why men today are becoming more cautious. So guys, stay focused, stay sharp, protect your peace.
You're my husband, so this is part of your baby.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm not raising another man's child.
Why? We're married. Yes, you don't have a choice. What do you mean? So you're saying you want a divorce?
Yeah.
No! Then you're gonna go to hell. No, that's not happening. You're Catholic. What do you mean?
Are you on drugs?
No, I mean hyped up on hormones, but what do you mean? This discussion just needs to be finalized today.
Yeah, you're right, man. She must be on drugs to try that kind of religion manipulation on you. Imagine the audacity. After cheating and having another man's child on him, she got no remorse, no accountability, but trying to use his religion to make him feel guilty for deciding to divorce her. That obviously didn't work, woman.
I'm not done with you and this baby daddy bullshit.
The fuck is you talking about?
I'm out here working overtime, and you got her tell me you going out to hang with your baby daddy to celebrate his birthday like I'm a fucking square.
Okay, it's this man's birthday. And then you know I paid for the section, so I'm not finna goddamn missing shit that I done spent money on. You fucking crazy.
You spent the money that I go out and fucking work overtime for on this nigga for a section, your baby daddy?
Okay, what's the problem? You fucking that insecure? You jealous because we have a good, healthy co-parenting relationship? Ain't no way you mad about a baby daddy and baby mama getting along. Be for real.
Man, you know what co-parenting, fuck out, you're a narcissist.